Good afternoon, parents. This is Dr. Janie and Mr. Savag. We're here today to talk to you a little bit about the best practices for online learning.
Hello, in this document, you will see all the guidelines set forth in the presentation. That these are the information that we're going to share with you that we need during the online learning that will happen at ACA.
We're going to talk a little bit about what learning online looks like and the types of teaching that we'll have. We're going to have whole class synchronous, and what this means is the whole class together at the same time, and they're going to be interacting and working with the teacher on the course. Our new student management system offers one place for parents to find everything they need for their students' online teaching.
But at the same time, there will be some asynchronous learning that students will need to do, which are not live sessions. And these are materials that need to be done throughout the week. They are recorded material or material which are assignments, work that are given to the students for them to be completed at their own time.
Additionally, there's some ways for our students, especially our older elementary and middle high school students, to actually use a discussion forum to have conversations not only with their peers, but also with their teaching. All this will be explained to your student by their teacher during our orientation week.
We will have small groups also. Those are small groups like classes for students to have extra support if needed. When teachers see that certain students need additional support, the students will be grouped as small groups for receiving additional extra support.
And there will also be a time in the schedules for teachers to meet one-on-one, either with a small group of students or a larger group of students or a small portion of the class, to be able to differentiate just a little bit for what the kids need, which leads us into the last time, which is differentiated instruction. So there's various ways that our teachers will be able to differentiate for the different ability levels of our students.
Right, and then that would also help us with our students with their needs, their special requirements, and their needs for their learning.
Student attendance. Live sessions are mandatory for all students. It's really important that they be part of this to be able to receive the instruction needed and the interactions with their peers and with their teachers.
Teachers are going to take attendance on a daily basis, on a session by session basis, to make sure that all students are attending the sessions live.
And we are taping the live sessions, but this is for administrative use only. These live sessions are not available at a later time for parents or students to watch. Our next topic is grading. For the KG division, it's really going to be based on skills and abilities of the students, so that each of the teachers will be doing some formative assessments, which means they will be checking for understanding and seeing what the students know, and then at the end of the unit they will do that assessment to see if they've learned the information that was presented forward for them and if there's any remediation or differentiation needed. In elementary school, we'll be using the new NEO system, and it'll consist of quizzes, projects and presentations, homework, engagement and participation, and discussions. Parents will receive weekly updates on how their students are doing with these assignments so that you know how your child is progressing and moving along the learning continuum.
For middle school, we are working on different projects and presentations and then classworks, so to make sure that our students are being assessed into what they are learning. And in high school, we will have students have one test as one major test per quarter, and then some quizzes during the quarter, which would be 1 to 3 quizzes, along with the project, presentations, classwork, and so on. So these would be the ways to assess our students' learning and understanding of the material.
I hope that this presentation helps you understand just a little bit better what ACA is doing this fall that's different from last spring. We believe that you're going to love our new learning management system, which is called NEO, where you can log your student onto one place and find all the information you need there. Our hope is to make learning richer, deeper, and stronger as we make the best of we can of these hard, difficult situations.
And we wish you all the best during the virtual learning time with all the challenges that we have together. We wish you all the best. Take care.
Bye-bye.